So just a quick update. I'm nearly ready for paint. I did all of the masking on the saddle, the spindle, the tool changer, and next is the machine. And I've got a question for you. On the front of the machine there are two pockets which I filled with these 3D printed parts, one on each side. And when I dismantled my machine, these pockets weren't used. These holes weren't used either. They were just like set screws in there. I think it's 1 inch, an inch 8 thread. I'm going to put some 3D printed parts in there because I haven't got any bolts that fit just while I'm painting, and I'll throw them away afterwards. Or maybe I'll use them to plug the holes. I just don't know. What are they? Alright. Leave if you know, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.